For the Hörnliridge, we start at the Hörnli Hut at 3,300 meters nearly. And first we go to the first fixed ropes, which help to get up the first little bit steeper section. Basically, it's just the first one or two pull-ups that are a little bit more exhausting, but afterwards it's pretty easy. After the fixed ropes, we go to the left and we reach the first gravel part and follow a good track. When you follow the track, you will reach the first couloir, which you basically traverse and actually leave it on the left side after 3 to 4 meters. And afterwards you will go steep up. Maybe 1 or 2 of climbing, and afterwards you will be back on a track that is well marked and seeable, that leads you to the next couloir. You will reach here a small ledge, and on this ledge go to the right and up. Looks like a little bit difficult, but if you follow up there, easy climbing, grade 2 and solid rock, you will find a red and white marking on the end, and you'll know that you're back on the track and you reach the ridge. Now stay on the ridge, and the small tower will be traversed on a ledge on the right side as seen in the picture. After this you will see a fixed rope a little bit on the left, and after having climbed this, the route follows a little bit in the to the left in the east face. Now we try to stay as close as possible to the ridge and climb up, always a little bit traversing but never too far in the east face, up till we see a big tower. Try to get to the wall of the tower pretty direct, and when you reach the wall of the tower you will find some poles and maybe a sling that traverses to the left, where you can get around the corner, and those don't stay too long in the slabs.
So, die Querung hier.
Genau, alles Eck heißt das.
Und jetzt geht's
Und das Gebiss.
und dann zur
Mosley-Platte.
Genau.
Zum Biwak.
Yes.
From here, follow over the slabs upwards, and poles will guide your way till you'll reach about 3 or 4 meter high step up, which you can climb. Up there is a pole as well. Now you'll see the Solvay hut very clearly, and over a short fixed rope section you will reach the lower Mosley slab. Climb the slab on the right hand side on a small crack with good holes, and then you'll reach the Solvay hut.
Mosley-Platte, der speckigste Fels, den ich in meinem Leben je geklettert bin. Egal. So, das Biwak auf 4000 Meter.
Right after the hut you'll find the upper Mosley slab, which will be climbed directly, and the first bit of it is really steep, and afterwards it gets slabby. There are poles for safety, but test them if they are fixed.
Und? Ist gut?
Ja. Schon.
Und die untere fast mieser.
Ja. Was mir nicht gefällt, wenn der Wegfahrer hinter dir sagt, gib Gas oder hopp hopp. Ja.
Now you finally really reached the ridge, and you will follow this more or less always straight on the ridge for the next couple of meters. There will be a short section with fixed ropes where you will need to pull up, and you can upside this on the way down. Then you will soon reach the shoulder, and depending on the snow conditions you will put on the crampons up here. The following traverse is pretty exposed, and so you better don't slip there, and then you'll reach the start of the upper fixed ropes. Follow the fixed ropes and pay attention when you for a short moment step into the north face, while there's often some ice, and afterwards you will reach two steeper step ups, and when you have climbed those ones it's getting a little bit flatter. It's just a short period where you have the fixed ropes, and then you will reach the summit roof, which you will follow on snow slopes probably for 100 vertical meters. There are some poles on the way up, and soon you will see the Saint Bernard, the patron of the mountaineers, and from there it's not far to reach the Swiss summit, which is the highest point of the Matterhorn with a height of 4,478 meters. So, congratulations, you reached the summit of the Matterhorn. I hope this video was helpful for you if you plan your climb, and it will give you some insights. If you liked the video, so please put a thumbs up, and if you want to stay updated for more content like this and further adventures in the mountains, tutorials, and yeah, a lot of more stuff, so hit the subscribe button to this channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Ja, lass dich drücken. Hier haben wir noch mehr Platz. Oh, sauber. Sehr geil. So, erstmal gönnen. Yes. Oh. 78 meters. Da ist der Tobi. Und wir stehen hier auf dem Schweizer Gipfel.